Hello everyone, Tech Aid TV here. For today's video, we have here this new Epson EcoTank L8050 printer. And this unit has encountered a shadow printout problem. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how does this issue occurs and how to resolve this printout issue easily by just only cleaning one of printer's components. But first and foremost, we have to inspect first the actual printout in order for us to have a lead of where's the issue or the part of the printer is having a problem. As we notice here on its printout, it has a vertical shadow on text. This vertical shadow issue occurs, usually due to encoder strip problem. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how easy and simple to clean the encoder strip for this Epson EcoTank L8050 printer. So step 1 is we need to turn off the printer first. Then after power indicator LED completely turned off. Then the second step is we were going to lift the top cover to access the carriage encoder strip. Then locate the carriage encoder strip and use a flashlight to inspect any dirt or stain on the carriage encoder strip. And if you found any dirt, stain, or grease splash on the carriage encoder strip, just wipe the dirt to remove the dirt or stain. Just use a tissue to clean and remove the dirt or stain on its carriage encoder strip. Then after, rotate the white gear on this side in order to unlock and move the printhead carriage, and clean the other side of the carriage encoder strip. Ensure to inspect and remove all dirt and stain on both sides of the carriage encoder strip. Then after cleaning the carriage encoder strip, kindly move and place the printer head carriage to its original position. Then we can now close the top cover access door. Then after, we were going to turn on the printer and run a test print to check if that method is effective. Then this is now the printout quality after cleaning the carriage encoder strip. So let's try to compare with its printout before to see if the shadow printout issue is resolved. So this is the printout before and after, as we can see here, that we have successfully resolved the shadow printout problem after we've cleaned the carriage encoder strip. And that's how simple it is to resolve the vertical shadow printout problem of this Epson EcoTank L8050 printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.